Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is we're going to open a file and we're going to read the contents in reverse. So I've got a file here, hopefully. This is my file. And this is the file we're going to do. So this line is in reverse. Okay, so we're going to read that in reverse. So let's just click off that there. Let's just close that window. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a path to the file. So the file is on my desktop, so that's going to be C:users mark desktop, and also the name of the file, which is it's my.txt. That's the name of the file, I think. Okay, so that's the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different from that, so you're going to have to find out what it is, because if you simply type this in, you're just going to get an error, I'm afraid. Okay, now we open the file for reading, and how we do that is with open. And I'm going to state the path here where the file is, which is the path above. I'm going to give it the little R flag to read, and then path file object. Okay, and then we're going to do a for loop because we're going to go through the lines. For line in file object. This is where the magic comes in. We're going to print it out. So we're going to do line dot strip, and this is how we reverse it. So I've got some videos on this, so you can check them out. So we do ... -1, and this will reverse it, put it into an array and reverse it for us. So all we have to do now is call it for read reverse. Okay, let's run the program. And there we go, it's reversed the text inside there. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.